Hello there, welcome to day 2 of Banger Week. I think we should have called it Boom Week.
Boom.
They're Boom
Powerful
Week.
ass bangers.
They're surprisingly powerful.
Yeah.
Now, nothing better to start your Tuesday morning than a bit of breakfast. What have we got here, Dan?
In my lovely sort of flowery bowl, we've got some fruit bran or something like that.
Fruit and fibre.
Fruit and fibre, yeah, that's the one.
And a spot of orange juice.
Nice glass of OG.
Yeah, little sip. How's it?
Oh, really good.
Hey, let's blow it up. Where did the bowl go? Where's the ball?
Got annihilate. So you know that from now on, when your breakfast starts bubbling, you have to run away.
Yeah. I like that the spoon clattered the orange juice and the orange juice spilt on Dick Guy.
The remains of Dick Guy on his tip. Oh, well, this is part of my childhood, this bowl.
Oh, is it really? You just
Yeah.
blew open your childhood?
Blew it up. This is the biggest piece we could find. Absolutely annihilated. It's just disappeared.
Where's all the fruit and fibre?
That got disintegrated as well.
Oh well, successful day.
Yeah.
Follow us on Twitter. Tune back in tomorrow.
Excellent work.
Sorted.
Let's do it. Ugh.